questions on this one.
Okay.
First of all,
Mm-hmm.
the functions on it are similar to the actual Elgato version of it. You know?
Yeah.
Can you actually put AVI pictures or videos in here? Just videos? Can you add videos into every function?
We can, but currently not because the reason I say I can because we put an LCD behind it,
Oh, okay.
so it's programmable.
Okay.
But currently it's a POC sample for this year's CES, so it's only for costumes.
For view.
Yeah,
okay,
for view.
okay. Yeah, okay. Now, compatible with OBS?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yep.
compatible with other streaming like Streamlabs or anything like that? Or just OBS?
Currently it's for OBS combined with that.
Price on some of those for consumers? Not yet released?
Not yet. Actually, we are not branding. We're just an OEM.
Yeah. Oh, and it does have the...
And we do have two XLR. We have another.
Oh, okay,
similar
perfect.
one.
Yeah, perfect. So it does have two.
XLR.
Uh-huh.
And two handsets.
So this is perfect for if you're also doing podcasting.
And
Streaming, powered up through a Type-C connection.
Yeah, correct. And we also support 48 voltage for condensity microphone.
What were you? Oh, okay. Yeah, where were you connect the additional power?
This one. This one.
Only that
power
one?
and the connection.
Oh, okay.
Data connection.
I like it. Light. So no price yet fixed on this.
No price yet.
No. I like it. When I saw it, I had to stop by. I had to see it.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that one. Ooh, you sold me on the remote.
Yeah, we have a remote here to control all. The button on the top is also programmable. So for example, we have press one button here to launch YouTube for music play, and for Zoom for the conference meeting, and finally it's a PowerPoint. Maybe you are a teacher, you are a remote worker, you have to promote presentation to anybody. You can use the remote to start your presentation.
Is the remote chargeable or is
it's
that battery?
chargeable.
Okay.
It's chargeable and use the Bluetooth.
Yeah, I saw
connect.
that. That's why I was asking.
Yeah.
So
Also, when you launch PowerPoint, then it switches to PowerPoint mode.
Oh, PowerPoint, it changes the whole entire mode once whatever function or software you're using.
Correct.
Okay,
you
okay.
automatically change the function that you need.
And price on something like this, not yet released?
Yeah, not yet as well.
Okay, and these are the functions for it? Oh, no.
Oh,
This
one is one. This one is for the one. Yeah, this one.
So what's the name of this version?
We call it Control Deck.
Control Deck, no name, no IP or number or anything.
We do
behind
have
it?
an IP inside the mechanical design to make the click feeling even better.
Can I see the back of it if you don't mind?
Yeah, it's a stand, adjustable stand to adjust different view angles.
Yeah. That is great. I like it. Lighter. One connection in the back, which is a Type-C connection. Folds in there. This is a great replacement for your current Elgato that you have. It actually has more functions than Elgato. Elgato's just buttons. I got the Max and the XL, the larger. It's useless if you don't have this.
Yeah.
Like I would love to use it for Photoshop, other features, and this is great for other applications.
More usage.
Window editing and everything else.
Correct.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. So thank